Ukhandoso kahle kahle kubuya ngathi uyayiqeda indaba yeshushane nembiyano. I-Sundowns lesiyaziyo elipholishayo ibhola. Elibamba elinika omunye, libambe linika omunye, libambe linika omunye. Uma besifika kuma-final third, they have creative players abanespark who can take defenders on and create space, badlale lawo ama-passes and play kumapokoto, and then ama-tap-in, ama-goals. Kubuya ngathi uyayiqeda ukhandoso leyo Sundowns. And out of everything that is wrong with the Mamelodi Sundowns, the number one thing that is wrong with the Sundowns is the coach. First, selection of the 11 players that represented the Sundowns, the selection was poor. Sbuki defense. uDivine Lungu beyaphi khona uMaphosa. And uDivine Lungu performance yakhe mayifika lapha it was very very poor, which shows ukuthi he was not supposed to be in that first 11. To the first lineup, he wasn't supposed to be there, and the performance yakhe proved that. I understand maybe mhlambe ubefuna ukucontain umsendami, but it did not work because how many fouls awenzile until we have time to decide ukuthi uyamkhipha manje. What was the thinking ngokuqala igame ngama 6-3? Adams defensive midfield, Kwena defensive midfield, Ayend defensive midfield. Fine, they will initiate play because igame yabeqala with the goalkeeper nama center backs. Well, they will support initiation play because Kwena is good with that. But who's gonna progress play? If game iqala from a build-up phase, is a progression line. Who's gonna take it from a progression line and join and connect with my forward to actually attack? Ubani ozokwenza lokho? Thatha uSalezi umlahle esayidini. And then udlale ngoShalulile no Ikram Renas boy 2. What was the thinking behind that? Ishushane nembiyano iyapela kuSundowns. And if uKadosi eqhubeka ngalo shunu wakhe, lento izo-affecta even national team. And I'm not surprised why Hugo Bros is now leaning towards the Pirates, because Sundowns, it looks like engineer yabo ifile manje. Looking at Sundowns net depth yakhona kufanele ngabe ungabi khona kukazwana njoba elimele mase kuba khona iproblem. Ukuhamba kaRibeiro kube khona iproblem. Just you keep abadlali abayi-2 abebeya amanumber 10 who were linking play from a progressive line towards the final third. Loba abadlali boyi-2 nje ukusuka kwabo nje then kunembobo lapha kuSundowns. There's no creativity at all. And uLetlako, he needs to pull up his socks. If anything is he needs to show that he needs to be in that first 11. At least creatively he can give you something, but he needs to prove that he deserves to be in that first 11. But also he doesn't believe kubadlala abafana noLetlako naboMapena. Buka mangabe fakule boMothiba ukuthi into yakhe ayisho ukuthi he wants to build and connect moving forward. Patience if the opponent is too tight. The patience connecting these passes until the opponent lack patience and want to mark. Then create some space and Sundowns ibidlala bona lawo mapokoto lawo exploit lawo spaces moving forward, and then benza ama-tap-in ama-goals akhona. Leyo nto leyo bangathi uyayibulala. It's the umsebenzi onzima kaPitso Mosamane, ka-coach Rulani, ka-coach Manqoba, ka-coach Steve. Now bonke abekhona since i-era kaPitso Mosamane until uzofika uKhadosi. Kubuye ngathi yonke lento uyibhunyela ngamanzi ifake toilet uyayiflash. Manje ufuna udlala uRoute 1 football because mabe no Lebo Mothiba. If ubuka profile ka Lebo Mothiba is not a striker that can be signed by Sundowns. If uzobuka style of play ehlalo Sundowns, which is Shushane and Piano. And we cannot afford to have Sundowns engaperform kahle. Sundowns needs to go to ICAF, and ima ngabe iya kwi-ICAF nalesi standard sefootball esikhombisayo njengamanje, they won't make it through ama-group stages. They will come back, they won't reach ama-quarter final, they won't make it across ama-quarter final with that performance, with how coach decides to do things lapha ku-Sundowns. Mina keep Jayden Adams efakwe Letlago, I thought maybe they're going to play now, because I thought Letlago was going to go elayinini abe wing, and then u-Arthur Sales abuya azoba number 10 alinki play. Initiation ikhona, uTebs ulanda ibhola well-collect, udlala no-Ayende, u-Ayende udlala no-Salez, uSalez ulinki play nama-forwards wakhona. But that's not what coach had thought. He had other plans ngayo yonke leya. What's the thinking udlala uIkram Reyners no Peter Shalulile at the same time? Why did you put Matthews Epejini because Bekon? Finally, Shalulile had a great game. Shalulile outplayed himself namhlanje. Nalela goal abalitholile team odrophile wahamba wayohold the play ekholdeni wakhe play, and then he played Morena wadlala la bhola ngoline, good run with Ayende and a beautiful cross emthola iGram Reyners lapha i-free header wakora. But if ubukushalulile besekhona futhi lapho ready to receive that ball, aliqale yena lapha by hold the play. So nje kudos to Ushalulile, i-performance yakhe beyinhle kakhulu namhlanje. I think i-team yonke ye-Sundowns umuntu odlale kahle uPeter Shalulile. But the entire team, there was nothing ongayiphika uthi it's working. Towards the end of the game, it just looked like bafuna ukukora, but it was bengahlangani, because uhlobo labadlali abaseground nalusho ukuthi they will be creative enough ukuthi bangascore. Kunalo kubonakala ondlondlo noma phangula bezenzela lapha center. To think that Undlondlo had made the run from deep, as short as he is, and the figure scorer lapha, and mabubuka leyanto uDivine Lunga, he was ball watching, ubeka spectator kodwa scored egroundini. Reaction nothing, he was ball watching. That's why I'm like, why play Divine Lunga corner umdiba? Because Sundowns caused the danger, because Divine Lunga was ball watching. Had lucky kwintshebe because ibhola lishaya kuyona enilangena lapha as an on goal, but good run from Undlondlo, and Undlondlo also Maphangula had a great game, and Noncube lapha yaka too, he was having a field day, and he's a good fullback. Uncube lapha kwi-Morimo Gallants. So i-Morimo Gallants has a number of players who are very, very good, and if they can continue with that performance, basazobaxaka abantu abaningi. I understand why they beat the Pirates. I was so upset when they beat the Pirates, but today I saw it wasn't a fluke that they beat the Pirates the other day. But the question is, will they continue with the same performance only if Milan and Sundowns and the Pirates now? That's another question. But uKadoso, bafowethu, akholutho lapha. Last season asinakanga because the season had progressed already, and asimnikanga umanqoba Mngqithi ama-flowers wakhe because it started the season, and uKadoso ifike phakathi. Now uKadoso has the opportunity to start the season kusuka amadala, and he shows us ukuthi no, indaba yebhola lasemsawudeni liyamhlula. He wants to resort to Route 1 football, and uzoyibreaka eqede Sundowns. Anyway, give me one reason why you have not subscribed. Just one reason why you have not subscribed. Because we are Hlaba, siyayihlinza siyayihlahlela siyayabo ifune eyokupheka oyiphekelayo ekhaya ayikho into engaphekelayo. My name is Sipho Ndlovu. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. Please do subscribe, like, share in this video. I will see you I think Friday during the day with my previews. My game on the weekend, especially game Pirates and the game Chiefs and another team as Angola, and a couple of other games also back on over the weekend, which I will have a chance to work out. But that was a poor performance by Mamelodi. Overall, poor performance by Mamelodi Sundowns today. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, I'm out.